I am a technical sales consultant with Toledo Basement Repair, and I've been with the company since October 2020. I was brought on for structural repairs and crawl space inspections, and a lot of people ask me if I am creeped out by the bugs and cobwebs and spiders in the crawl space. Nothing really freaks me out except for those little water centipedes with like 1,000 legs. Yeah, those are gross. But other than that, everything else is good. And it works for me because my background is in customer service and my brain functions in puzzles. So finding the root or the source of a problem and then like creating a strategy to fix it, like overcome it, is kind of my jam. I don't know. Our guys make it really easy for me to do my job because like they're all really good at what they do. The dynamic here at this company is amazing. Like we're like family, and it's easy for me to be confident in what I'm telling you when I know that like the job's going to be done right. Like John's a beast, JD is the man, like Brian's a perfectionist. So like interior waterproofing, exterior waterproofing, egress, structural carpentry, like we got it. Like our guys are the guys. That makes my job really easy. I couldn't work for a company that I couldn't get behind, and Kevin's done a really good job of creating a really strong, like, integrity-based company. It's definitely the biggest draw.